everyone, it's Vanessa here with Lighthouse Kids Company. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I want to make a video about how to pack the artist bag for work. Now, I'm a working mom. I am here at the warehouse every day packing orders, taking orders, making videos. So I always need my computer, I always need my agenda, I always need my water bottle and a bunch of other things. So I wanted to show you exactly what I can fit in my artist bag and what I take to work with me every day. So keep watching. Okay, so for those of you who don't have the artist bag is our newest bag that we just came out with at Lighthouse Kids Company. It has a extra large strap that can be worn as a messenger style or as a backpack style. Today I'm using this as a messenger bag, and what I like to do is I like to double it up so it's got that extra cushion on my shoulder. So this is how I use it today, but you can also, if you'd like, put it through here to make a backpack loop, and I will link to the other video that has how to change your messenger style bag to a backpack style. So let's see what I have in my artist bag. So this is the artist bag in camel and late bloom. It's a beautiful, rich, like leathery color, perfect for summer or for actually any time of the year because this color kind of never goes out of style. It's a classic color. I wear it with everything. So let's see what I got in here. So the artist bag has a ton of pockets. The first front pocket is a really easy to reach one. And I usually keep my keys and my little wallet with me. And maybe like a little lip gloss and lipstick, just for on the go. On the top side pocket here, what I like to keep is just any other things like little pens. I have my little eyelash curler thing here, so I like to keep that with me in case I have an eyelash emergency. You know, that happens. On the side pockets, I use these for quick things that I need. So I have my cell phone and I have my sunglasses. Should have these in a case, but I don't. That's how I roll. So I keep this in the side pocket. By the way, the two side pockets are insulated. So we have this beautiful lining, the late bloom lining, but hidden underneath here is actually insulation. So if you like to keep your drinks cold or hot, this is perfect. On the other side, I like to keep a drink with me. I drink water all the time. I make sure to get a lot of water throughout the day so I'm not dehydrated. So I have my cup. This is a Turvis tumbler. It's only a 16 ounce, but this pocket actually fits a 40 ounce hydro flask in it. So it's a really, really roomy pocket. You can fit a lot in here, not just water bottles, but any kind of bottles, any kind of thing that you need quick access to. The back of the bag also has a hidden pocket, and I love this for theme parks. Like if you're taking this bag to Disney, it's really important that you have like a little place for safe storage for things that you don't want to get lost. So I actually didn't put anything here because I have been using it around town and I don't need to hide anything. But if you need that extra room, this would be perfect for anything like papers or anything that you might need. Okay, so the inside of the bag has a really large flat pocket, and the way we designed these pockets is so they come up so you have even more extra room. So if you need to pack this bag vertically, you can do that too because it's gonna come up and give you that extra room. And I actually use that extra room. I have my little cords and things that I keep for my computer, like my charging cable and my USB drives. I have a Be Quick here that I keep all of my little tools with me that I need throughout the day, like toothpaste, toothbrush, anything that I might need like hygienic wise, I keep in here. I also have my Erin Condren planner. I don't go anywhere without this. This is like the lifeblood of my business. I keep everything in there. I am a planner girl. I write everything down, so it's important for me to have my planner. And then I have, shocking for you guys that know me, another planner. This is my evil planner. This is more like a goal planner. So I have two planners, one which is an everyday planner and a goal planner. Inside I also have my laptop. This is a 13-inch MacBook Pro. So I keep this with me all the time. You can't pack it vertically or horizontally. I like to pack it vertically just because there's more room side to side for other things, but you can't pack it horizontally if you'd like. And then I also have a little bag full of pens and pencils, anything I may need to take notes with, so I keep this with me at all times also. Here I have my little passy pod, which I usually use for my lunette cup or anything that's little that I might need throughout the day. I keep it in here. And what else? And I think that's about it. I still have a lot of room. Found the deodorant. So that should go in the hygiene bag, by the way. But you can still pack a lot more. This is just what I pack to work. And the lining, by the way, a lot of people were asking what kind of lining is it, if it's silky or what it feels like. It feels really, really silky and awesome. I love this lining so much. It's our late bloom print. So that's pretty much what I have in there. This is for my planner. So I am gonna pack everything back up to show you guys how I do it. I start with my laptop, put it in that large back pocket. Then the planner, which is the bigger item that I have in there, so I don't like it to get squished. My evil planner, which is my gold journal. Then I have my pens. I put it in one of the side pockets. My toiletry bag, should put that in there, that in there, probably this too. I stick this just in the middle. Then I'll show you guys what it looks like all packed up. My Passy Pod goes back into one of the little pockets in here. Easy to reach lip gloss, I put back in there. And my keys goes back in there. Glasses and cell phone. And so let me show you guys what it looks like right now before I put this little thing in there. So right now it's a little heavy because of the computer, but this is what it looks like. It's got all of my stuff in there, and you still have a lot more room if you'd like. I also always utilize that vertical room. So the bag is pretty tall, and I love to use that to my advantage. So instead of sticking this in there and have the bag be overfilled, I like to just put everything in, then put this on top like this, raise the little flaps. And this is why we kind of make the flaps almost like detached, so you can actually put a lot more stuff in there. I like to put this in, and my cup goes back. And that's pretty much it. It's set and packed for the day. This is all I take to work with me every day. I'm enjoying my artist bag so much. It's been quite a journey to have it here. It's been awesome to see it come to fruition. It does come in the black color and the camel color. You see behind me here, that's the black and that's the camel. This is the color that we were gonna release, but we probably will release for winter, so stay tuned for that one. So that's how I pack my artist bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe when you have a chance, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.